Many people have asked me, Madam, I have a lump sum amount like a bulk of 10 lakhs. Is there any plan where I can invest it once and then withdraw monthly? Let me explain that details in this video, so save this video. Firstly, let's look at some facts. If you want to start withdrawing from the first month itself after investing, then you must have a very large lump sum amount, which is around at least of 1 crore. If you have such an amount, even if you withdraw 50,000 every month, the remaining capital will continue to grow like a golden goose laying eggs. But most of us don't have 1 crore. So if someone invests 10 lakhs and withdraws 5 to 10,000 every month, that amount is too small to make any meaningful difference. And the fund will also not grow properly. So a better plan is this: use your 10 lakh like a powerful Kickstarter, invest that fund somewhere and leave it untouched for a few years. For example, in any index fund that gives around 10 to 12% of returns. Your biggest advantage is that people who do a monthly SIP of 10,000 need to invest at least 8 years to reach 10 lakhs. But you already have that amount ready on day one. That means you are literally saving 8 years ahead of them. So if you invest this lump sum in a fund and leave it for 10 to 15 years, and if it gives around 12% of yearly returns, it will grow to around 50 lakhs. Then you can start a monthly SWP, monthly withdrawals of 1% or around 50,000. But remember, since you have a bulk amount, don't invest the entire amount at once. If the market falls after you invest everything, the initial losses will be very heavy. So divide the amount into 5 equal parts and invest one part every 3 months. By doing this, market fluctuations will not impact your capital much. In the upcoming videos, I'll discuss which funds delivered how much returns in the last 10 years. Follow this page if you want to know that.
If you want to avail free algo tools, please visit bluechipalgos.com.